Good morning, hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter, week 33, and the sun is shining, and check out these two sun lovers. I can't even see if you're in shot, it's so sunny. The lovely Viv and Carol have come in, they are enjoying the sunshine. We've got the parasols up, and I am busy teaching a one-day intensive beginners sewing. Let's go inside. Oh, and that's from Singapore. That's my sloth fabric. Oh, the sloth fabric's arrived. So this parcel has come all the way from Singapore from the lovely Wendy, one of my ladies. Please look after these sloths. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It is even nicer in the flesh. I didn't realise it was a cotton duck. It's just stunning. Look at this. Oh my. I was going to make a dress out of it, but I think I will still, but I will use just a normal cotton as my lining. Oh, be still my beating heart. That's so cute. One has been wonderful. We've finished our boxes. I did say you'd be finished by at 12:10, and you are. Lay, look at that. There's Rachel's. Fabulous. And then other Rachel, that looks really nice. We've got beautiful lighting there, Rachel. Well done. I am sweltering. What a lovely day. Really, really nice. I've just been round and got everywhere cleaned and sanitised. All of the stations are all disinfecting overnight. We've got no sewing classes tomorrow morning, so I'm going to leave it all out. We have got watercolour doodle book tomorrow, and it was my plan this evening to put the tables down in unit 2 and turn it into more of a classroom, but actually the weather forecast is fantastic for tomorrow, and I think what I'm going to do instead is just take our low tables and just take them outside, and I think I'm going to run the class outside. I've just got 4 ladies, so it'll be quite nice. So I haven't moved the tables. I'm going to get up nice and early tomorrow morning, make sure I'm in for 9, and that way if the weather's not looking quite so good, I've got time to move them around quickly before they come. But fingers crossed, we're going to have a really nice Alfresco painting class tomorrow morning, which will be lovely, and make a nice change, and it means I can just leave the studio untouched, ready and set up for sewing classes, and Maddie is teaching on Monday. I'm actually sneaking away for a night with Mr. Mac, and I cannot wait. We're heading to the spa, which will be lovely. So I'm leaving her and Elspeth in charge on Monday. Yes, I'm going to go home and chill out for the evening, I think, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Good morning, it is Saturday. Welcome back to BTHQ Banter. I just have to show you these beautiful flowers that the lovely Elsa has brought me. Look, how gorgeous are they? Bless her, there to say thank you for everything I've done throughout lockdown, all my online classes and everything, introducing her to BTHQ, so that's really sweet of her. I may have cried a little bit. Anyway, we're having a lovely Alfresco class today. The sun is shining and it's really enjoyable. Let me take you outside. Look, everyone's in the sunshine, enjoying their painting class. We're doing our watercolour doodle book today. Can we say hello, everyone? So nice to be able to be out here enjoying the sun. What a lovely day. I haven't picked the camera up again this afternoon. Elsa stayed this afternoon and made a little recessed zipper pouch, which was really lovely. Just trying to find a camera battery. Don't know what I've done with that, because I need to leave the camera for the lovely Elspeth and Maddie, because I'm not going to be back in again until Wednesday. I'm having a couple of days off with the mister, and then I'm spending the whole of Tuesday in the studio, not here but Glyn's studio, editing all of that footage, or some of that footage anyway, that we got shot last week. So I've got a busy few days ahead of me. Maddie's in on Monday teaching. So I've left the studio all ready for her, disinfected absolutely everything in sight, and left that all ready, and I'm going to put this camera, Elspeth's going to be doing the class, so I'm going to put this camera by her sewing machine. so that hopefully one or the other of them will pick it up and do a little bit of BTHQ banter. We shall see. So I'm leaving it in their capable hands, so hence trying to find a fresh battery. Goodness knows where they are. Anyway, I'm going to go home. It's my lovely mum and dad's golden wedding anniversary, so we are going to be celebrating that with them this evening, and then I'm off for a lovely couple of days away with Mr. Mac, which is definitely well deserved. So I will see you again on Wednesday, but you will see Maddy and Elspeth on Monday.
Yes, that's what I do. Look, it's Monday morning. Don't tell anyone, but Claire's not here. So she's against the light, so you can't see her. But that's a limping Maddy who's come to play. Well, no, she's come to teach us how to do. I keep calling it a sampler cushion, a so many skills cushion, which I have been looking forward to since February.
Get my one out.
Yes, get yours out so we can see what it's going to be like, and then stop hobbling about. And it's nice playing when the boss isn't here. And I know some people who are going to get sprayed today because they're feeling a bit dry.
So this one's not a finished one, but it has all of the bits.
This has got all the bits, so you learn to do all the funny effects. And
Funny effects.
Well, this is a funny effect. This is what I don't know about. This is a funny effect.
I've got two of those.
And yeah. And while we're about it, somebody's going to lose fabric that she leaves in public view. I have changed your calendar for you. And if I get at the right angle, you'll be able to see that you should have changed ages ago, because it's little Mive, just for you. So we are now officially in August.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'll turn it on.
Did you teach Maddy how to turn the thermometer on?
It's fine, I need.
Right. Oh, she shot your client. She shot her in the head.
35, we're good.
Right. You're going to do me and send me home, because...
Should we do you?
Ah!
Oh, you're fine, 35.
Oh, good.
Right, do I just leave it and it turns on?
I don't know.
I'm going to put it there.
It's scary, isn't it? This? Yes, do. Getting exciting. Exciting. I'm supposed to just be doing ordinary pleating, and then Miss said I could customise it, Miss said, so I've customised it. To her advice, I never had the idea, so I've got these amazing twisted pleats in for one of my... And they feel lovely. Ooh, I'm going to stroke my cushion. And that's number 3 that's nearly done, and that's my quilted one, which is nice and basic. This is going to be a chenille one, and she's yet to tell me how to do that chenille bit. I think I have to get the nail scissors, the embroidery scissors, and make nasty holes in my beautiful fabric. But it's coming on. Charlotte's finished her cushion that she began in September and then had to stop again. Right. Oh, now can I remember how to zoom in? I wonder if it's that. Change zoom magnify. Oh, I don't know. I can't find the zoom. I'm just going to have to walk in with it a bit. So she's got reverse applique, she's got applique, she's got ruffles, she's got chenille, she's got patchwork, she's got a little pocket in the middle to put her sweeties in when she's leaning on it, another bit of patchwork, nice bit of quilting, and this magic pleated bit. And she's a happy girl. Are you a happy girl?
Yeah.
Good.
Elspeth, what are we doing?
We're cutting the head off our cat. No, sorry. We're cutting our cat's head open. That's what we're doing.
So Elspeth is finishing off her reverse applique square.
Yee, Elspeth's getting to squeak stage.
He's a pussycat.
He's a odd pussycat.
So we're just carefully snipping away.
And we're trying not to get so overexcited that we get snip straight through the stitching, but actually it's quite hard to snip through the stitching, isn't it?
Yeah. Lizzie, have you got your reverse applique square? Do you want to come and show us?
Yeah, it's all
And give it a little wave so we can see it.
terms.
Yeah! Love it. Love a bit of reverse applique. Oh, his tail's nearly done.
Getting there. Getting there. Thank you, Pink Scissors, for such lovely fabric. Really nice quality fabric.
It's a potty cat! Oh, I'm so pleased with him.
He's gorgeous.
Elspeth is letting all of her aggression out on her chenille distressing. I'm distressing it! But what's going to happen at the end? What's it going to be?
It's going to be a
cushion cover. It's going to be really, really fluffy. I think Elspeth's had some fun.
Yeah. We've succeeded. We've got 2 cushion covers. Gorgeous. Chenille. Oh, your chenille's come up really nice and fluffy. And I like the spots coming through from underneath. And a pocket. And patches. And pleats. And more patches. And a ruffle. Like a dress shirt ruffle down the front, down the middle. And a lovely heart. And a nice bit of quilting. And a J for Jensen. Ooh. And a cat, for no reason at all. And some quilting. And some patchwork. And some chenille stuff that needs a bit more brushing at. And a pocket. And a ruffle. And another bit of patchwork. And an E for Elspeth. And a bit of twisty pleating, just for fun, so that it goes one way at the top and the other way at the bottom, just because it was fun to do. Hey!
Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. The glasses on. It is Wednesday and I'm back from my couple of days away. Really nice and rested. Very, very hot. I have no idea what's already on this camera. I do know Elspeth picked it up. I do know she's recorded quite a lot apparently, and that I might have a bit of a mammoth edit on my hands. So we'll see what I managed to do, or you will have already seen what I managed to do. But the sun is shining. I've got the lovely Carol and Viv in today for BTHQ Alfresco, and actually I've got no classes today. I've just got a short day before I have to pick little Miss Mac up from her camp. So I haven't been teaching anybody. I'm not going to be teaching anybody today. I'm going to try and get a little bit of cutting out done for myself, and then when she comes back from camp I've got a call with my coach and a few other bits and pieces I need to do and some orders that I need to package up. So let's see what happens today, but probably nothing particularly exciting. Very, very, very uneventful day. I haven't even picked this up. Probably makes do for no doubt what is lots and lots of footage from yesterday. I have cut something out though, which is amazing. I have cut a pair of shorts out from this fabulous sloth fabric that the lovely Wendy sent me from Singapore. I am cutting out the Tilly and the Buttons Jessa shorts. So I've cut them out, I've sewn the darts, that's as far as I've got. I've packaged lots of orders, and actually I've just sat outside with my mum and had a chat this afternoon for an hour or so. Sat outside with Carol and Viv for a little bit as well. Just because it's just too hot to even move or function. I'm really hoping we're going to have some big storms tonight or tomorrow, just to cool everything down and before we're back for classes on Friday and Saturday. So that is yet another week of BTHQ Banter over and done with. I will see you all again next week. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye. Oh no bye. Yesterday I spent yesterday with Glyn from CVS editing, and we have edited quite a lot of the Christmas course. We've edited the knickers course, so by the time you see this on Friday, The Nick, of course, will probably be available for pre-sale or pre-order. I'm not 100% sure, it might be Monday, but it is coming, so watch this space. Make sure you are signed up to us on social media so you can see when we release that. So it's very exciting, and now I really am going. I will see you soon. Bye.